My girl a superstar, all from my home movie. Bad on our arrival, the un-American idols. When niggas didn't piss, got them hanging off the Eiffel. Yeah, I'm talking business, we talking CIA. I'm talking George Tenet, I seen him the other day. He asked me about my Maybach, think he had the same. Except my tenant and it might have been rented. You know white people get money, don't spend it. Or maybe they get money by Venice. I'd rather buy 80 gold chains and go ignorant. I know Spike Lee gon' kill me, but let me finish. Blame it on a pigment, we live in no limits. Them gold masterpiece ceilings was just a figment of our imagination. MTV cribs, now I'm looking at a crib right next to where TC lives. That's Tom Cruise, whatever she accused. You weren't really drunk, he just had fruit bruise. Pass the refreshments, a cool beverage. Everything I do need a news cruise present. Speedboat swerve, homie, watch out for the waves. I'm way too black to burn from sun rays, so I just meditated the home in Pompeii about how I could build a new Rome in one day. Every time I'm in Vegas, they screaming like he's Elvis, but I just want to design hotels and nail it. It's real, got me feeling Israelian, like Bob Raphael, Giselle. No, that's Brazilian. Went through deep depression when my mama passed. Suicide, what kind of talk is that?
ただいま走行されました10番右側選手と